Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a comforting and super flavorful dish, ultra soft tofu in rich savory garlic sauce. The tofu comes out tender, silky, and fully coated in glossy savory sauce. Just look at how it jiggles and soaks up all that flavor when it's finished. First, take a block of firm salted tofu and cut it into small cubes. Next, chop some green and red bell pepper into small pieces. Dice some mushrooms as well. Also prepare chopped scallions and minced garlic. Now let's mix the sauce. 1 tablespoon fermented soybean paste, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon white pepper powder, 300 milliliters water. Mix everything well and set aside. Everything's ready, let's start cooking. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add the tofu. Blanch it briefly. Once it comes back to a boil, cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then pour everything out along with water. Now heat the oil in the wok. Add the diced mushrooms and stir fry until fragrant. Then add half of the scallions and garlic and saute until aromatic. Add the drained tofu into the wok. Then pour in the prepared sauce. Gently push everything around to combine. Then cover and simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. You will notice the sauce starts to reduce and thicken. Now add a little water starch so the sauce clings beautifully to the tofu. Before finishing, add the remaining scallions and garlic, plus the diced green and red peppers. Cover and let it steam for another 3 to 5 seconds. Finally, drizzle in half a tablespoon of cooking oil. Give it a quick mix, and it's ready to serve. Look at this plating. The tofu is so soft and bouncy. It just shakes on the plate. Scoop a spoonful over rice. This bite is pure comfort. I will try it first. Wow, so fragrant, so savory, incredibly delicious. You really should try this at home too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.